Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 29THS. This camper has an 11-foot separate garage, ramp, patio system, fuel station, dual ACs, 50 amp service, and so much more. Take a look at the description below to see what more this camper has to offer. Come see us today at 5031 Dick Pond Road, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588, or give us a call at 843-215-1800.